to say that I can marry. Do I even have Robux? Let's try to mine. Let's try to mine if we are strong enough. Let's see. I guess we're strong enough. We are tearing this like apart. So strong, I cannot do this anymore because it's too hard for me. Okay. Gonna sell my ore to get some coins. Wow, that's so much. 28 coins. And I'm gonna buy this egg. It's called the common egg. I'm gonna buy 6. Wait, I mean auto. I got a bear. I got a bird. And I got a cat. I guess. I don't know. That's okay enough. How many pets can I equip? Oh, I can equip 5. I thought only 3. And now I'm gonna train. Let's go. I'm gonna train until I get 250. Okay, we are so close. We are now 500 strings. Okay. Let's try to mine again. Let's see. Let's see how long can I get. Oh wait, what the hell just happened? Oh my god, I am carrying this like nothing. I'm too strong, I can even one-shot the others. Yes, I am the strongest. Haha. This thing's too easy. Come on, bro, it's too easy. By the way, guys, I watch NBA. This is too easy, bro. I am going to the surface now. Wait a second, I can rebirth. I will rebirth. There, I rebirthed. Let's see. What can I buy? Wait, I have this thing. Now I'm gonna train. Oh my god, I gain so many power. Yeah. There is it. Is this unlock chat? Oh, I got faster mining. When I hit 1k, I'm gonna mine again. Okay, there's it. Wait a second, I forgot to sell all my ore. I'm so fucking forgettable. Oh. I can buy this. I got a new pickaxe. Now I am tearing this apart. Ching ching. What does saber do? Now I'm gonna mine. Wait. Before I do that, I'm gonna sell all my ore and buy some eggs to get better pets. I got the 172 coins. So let's see. I got duck. Is it good or no? At least it's better than the other pet. That's okay. Now I gain 22. And guys, I'll try to get the leaderboard if there's actual leaderboard. At least. By the way, guys, this is called this game is called, I forgot. I'm gonna try to go to the leaderboard thing. Let's see. How much do I need to go there? Where is the rebirths? Oh my god! What the hell is even UDE? The hell? What? That's crazy, bro. We have some potions. Thing is taking so long. Why? What is this? And let me just that. I am almost 5,000k. You know, have 4k, 4.5k, and now it's 5k. I'm gonna mine now. Let's see. I am so strong. I can easily one shot everything. This is crazy. I'm too strong. Now it gets a little bit hard. Hey, I'm gonna go back now and upgrade my more damage or more coins. When upgrade more damage once and more coins there. And now I'm gonna sell all my ore. I get $500. I'm gonna buy 5 of these. Let's see what I get. What is Champer? At least I got a Champer and a Hunter again. And the next one is Hunter again. Is this crazy or is just bad luck? Hunter again? The hell? Oh, at least I got something new. And I'm gonna rebirth again. I'm gonna do 2 rebirths. Wait a second. Oh, I should have something. And then I'm now gonna auto train. I only have all Champer. This is crazy. And I gained so much power. The hell? Am I like Hulk? This makes me like Hulk. When I get 5k, the video is gonna end, guys. Sorry. Almost 5k, guys. There, guys. Bye-bye.